Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College, and all the 5th standard students are welcome to my YouTube channel. Students, we will start with maths, lesson number 4, multiplication and division, page number 16, problem set number 14. We will start today with problem set number 7, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So let's continue. So students, let's start with question number 1. Multiply 7 1 456 into 187. Now you have understood the word into means multiplication, right everyone? Let's start with 7 6 7 5 7 4 7 is standing in which place? It is standing in the units place. So first of all we are going to check it out. What is 7 6 7 6 it comes as 42. We are going to draw a very light line over here so that for carry forward it becomes very easily to add. 6 7 it becomes 42. 4 carried up, 2 written down. Then 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 4 it becomes 39. So 3 carried up, 9 written down. 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 3 it becomes 31. Right everyone? Now we are going to do the calculation for 8. 8 is standing in which place? 8 is standing in the tens place. So we are going to write it over here as 0. This 0 indicates, it tells us about this is the tens value or tens place. So we are going to do the multiplication with 8 6 8 6 is 48. So we are going to first erase the upper part of the carry forward. Now 8 6 it becomes 48. So 4 you will be carrying up, 8 you will be writing it down. Now 8 5 is 40. 40 plus 4 becomes 44. 4 carried up. Next 4 written down. Now 8 4 it becomes as 32. 32 plus 4 it becomes 36. As soon as we finish with the units, with the tens, we have to erase the carry forwards. There is no need to keep the carry forwards as it is. Now we are going to do the multiplication with 1. But 1 is standing in which place? 1 is standing in the hundreds place. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. This is tens. Now this is 1 which is in the hundreds place. Let's calculate with 1. 1 6 then 1 5 and 1 4 1 6 6, 1 5 5, 1 4 4. You have to check it out. There is nothing left out up in the carry forwards. As soon as you finish, you can erase that line also and you can erase the carry forwards because we have already done with the addition and calculations we have finished. Now let's have a look. 2 plus 0 it becomes 2. 9 plus 8 becomes 17. 17 plus 0 becomes 17. Now where to write this one? We are not going to write 1 over here. Wherever there is a calculation, we are going to write it over here only. So 1 we can either write it in the bracket like this. Okay. 1 plus 9 plus 8 becomes 17. 7 carried up, 1 we have written up. Now 1 plus 4 it becomes 5. 5 plus 6 it becomes 11. 11 plus 1 becomes 12. 1 again carried up, 2 written down. Now 3 plus 6 becomes 9. 9 plus 5 becomes 14. 14 plus 1 becomes 15. 1 carried up, 5 written down. 3 plus 4 becomes 7. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. Right everyone? Have a look properly whatever we have done with the calculations. So the answer for 456 into 187, it is 85,272, right? Okay. Now let's see the next sum. Now let's see what is the ninth sum. Ninth sum is 2306 multiplied by 832. Okay everyone? Now let's see. 2306 multiplied by 832. So you can see it over here. How many numbers are here? 3 numbers are there, 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits, units, then tens, and then hundreds. First we are going to calculate with the units, then with the tens, and then with the hundreds. Let's start calculating first of all only with the unit section. So 6 twos are, it becomes 12. 2 zeros are 0, no value. Directly we are going to write 1 because 1 which is carried up. Now 2 threes are, it becomes 6, and 2 twos are, it becomes 4. So we have done the calculation for the unit section, that is number 2. Now we are going to do the calculation for number 3. Number 3 is in which place? Tens place. So we are going to write it over here 0. Now we are going to do the calculation with 3 sixes. 3 sixes becomes 18. So 1 which is carried up and 8 we are going to write it down. 3 zeros are 0 plus 1. Okay, 3 zeros are 0, there is no answer, but 1 which we have written over here, that we have to carry it down. Now 3 threes are, that becomes 9, and 3 twos are, it becomes 6. Now we are going to do the calculation for 8 which is in hundreds place. So this becomes units, this becomes calculation with 8 sixes. 8 sixes are how much? 8 sixes are 48. So 4 which has to carry it up, 8 which has to be returned down. 8 zeros are 0 plus we are going to add over here 4 because we have done the calculation with 8 zeros, we got the answer as 0. But what about this 4? So that 4 directly has to come down. Now 8 threes are, it comes as 24. So 2 should be carried up, 4 has to be returned down. 8 twos are, becomes 16. Now 16 plus 2, that becomes 18. Now we have to add. Let's see what is the final answer. The final answer, 2 plus 0 becomes 2. 1 plus 8 plus 0, that becomes 9. 6 plus 7, 7 plus 8 becomes 15. 1 has to carry it up and 5 has to be returned down. Now 4 plus 9 becomes 13, 13 plus 4 becomes 17, 17 plus 1 becomes 18. 1 up carried, 8 returned down. Now 6 plus 4 becomes 10, 10 plus 1 becomes 11, 1 carried down. Now 8 plus 1 becomes 9 and no value, we are directly going to write here 1. So what will be the answer? 19,18,592. The calculation for 2,306 into 832. What will be the calculation? The calculation was 18,592. Okay, I hope so you must have understood this sum also. Number 9. Now we are going to start with number 10. Now students, we are going to do the calculation for the 10th sum. The 10th sum is on the blackboard. It is 6,429 into 509. Let's start with the calculation. We are going to write 6,429 multiplied by 509. Let's do the first calculation. First we are going to start with the units, then followed by tens and then by 100. That is number 5. First we are going to do the calculation with 9 nines are, 9 twos are, 9 fours are, 9 sixes are. Units please. 9 nines are 81. 8 carried up, 1 returned down. 9 twos are 18 plus 8, it becomes 26. 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 2 becomes 38. 3 carried up, 8 returned down. 9 sixes are, it becomes as 54. 54 plus 3 becomes 57. Okay, we have got the answer for the units place, where we have multiplied 9 into 6429. The answer has come as 57,861. So we are going to do the calculation for the tens place. The place value is 0. So we are going to clear the upper part. Now we are going to do the calculation for 0. But 0 is standing in which place? It's standing in the tens place. So we are going to do 0 over here. 0 9s are 0, no value. 0 2s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 6s are 0. Now let's do the calculation for hundreds. Okay. Now let's see. Now hundreds place. So what we are going to write it over here? We are going to write it as units 0, tens 0. 5 9s becomes 45. So 4 should be carried up. 5 has to return down. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 becomes 14. 1 carried up. 4 return down. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 becomes 21. Right? And 5 6 becomes 30. 30 plus 2 becomes 32. Which sign? Sign of addition. Now let's do the addition of all these three. This is units place, this is tens, and this is hundreds. We have got the answer. Now all these three we are going to do the addition. 1 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 1. 6 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 6. Now 8 plus 0 plus 5, that becomes 13. So 1 carried up, 3 returned down. Now 7 plus 4 becomes 11. 11 plus 1 becomes 12. 1 carried up, 2 returned down. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. Now there are no numbers. So directly we are going to write 2 and we are going to write 3. So what answer we have got for the solution? 6,429 into 509. The answer is 32,72,361. The final answer is 32,72,361. Now we are going to do the solution with problem set number 14, 11th one, that is the second last sum. See students, we are going to do the 11th sum, that is 4,321 into 678. First we are going to write it down. 4,321 into 678. Now which tables we are going to look? Table, 7 table and 8 ka table. So first we are going to do with the 8. Why? Because it is in the units place. So 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 1 carried up, 6 returned down. 8 threes are, that becomes 24. 24 plus 1 becomes 25. 8 fours are, it becomes 32. 32 plus 2 becomes 34. Right everyone? Now we are going to do the calculation for number 7. So you have to by heart your table 7. You know now why we have written 0, because 7 is coming in which place? Place value of tens. So we have to write over here 0. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Before that we have to cancel the carry forwards of the previous number. So 7 twos are 14. So 1 has to carry it up, 4 has to be returned down. Now 7 threes becomes 21. 21 plus 1 becomes 22. And 7 fours are, that becomes 28. 28 plus 2 becomes 30. Right? Now let's do the calculation for hundreds. Okay. Now hundreds value what is there? 6. So we are going to write 0 for units, 0 for tens. Now we are going to do the calculation for 6. 6 ones are 6. Okay. See here. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 1 carried up, 2 return down. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 1 becomes 19. 1 carried up, 9 return down. Now 6 fours are, that becomes 24. 24 plus 1 becomes 25. Now see everyone properly, one will be below the others, all the numbers I have written. I have not written anywhere any numbers, okay. You have to see, it has to come one below the others, all the numbers has to come one below the others. Now let's do the calculation for this solution. See here, 8 plus 0 becomes 8. Now 6 plus 7 becomes 13. So 1 has to carry it up, 3 has to be returned down. Now 5 plus 4 becomes 9, 9 plus 6 becomes 15, 15 plus 1 becomes 16, 1 carried up, 6 returned down. Now 4 plus 2 becomes 6, 6 plus 2 becomes 8, 8 plus 1 becomes 9. Now 3 plus 9 becomes 12, 1 carried up, 2 returned down. 5 plus 3 becomes 8, 8 plus 1 becomes 9, and no value over here, so we are going to write it as 2, right? So what will be the answer? The answer will be 29,29,638. I hope so you can see the blackboard properly and clearly everyone. So the solution for 4,321 into 678, the final answer is 29,29,638. Now let's complete the last question number 12. Okay everyone? Chalo, let's start. So students, the last question of question number 1, the 12th sum, that is 20,304 into 87. So let's start writing first. What are we going to write? We are going to write with the solution. So it is 20,304, okay, multiplied by 87. Now which tables we are going to learn by heart? We are going to learn 8 ka table and 7 ka table, right everyone? First we are going to do with the calculation 7, it is in the units place, and 8 because it is in the tens place. First let's start calculating. 7 fours are, 7 zeros are, 7 threes are, 7 zeros are, and 7 twos are. Now 7 fours are, it becomes 28. So what are we going to do? We are going to write 2 up, which is carry forward, and 8 down. 7 zeros are 0. This 2 has to be written down because we have done the calculation. We got the answer as 0. 0 plus 2. 7 threes is 21. So we are going to write 2 up, 1 down. 7 zeros are again 0. But 0 plus 2 it becomes 2. And 7 twos are, it becomes 14. So we got the answer for the units place. Now we are going to calculate with the tens place. Now which number in the tens place? It is 8. So before that what are we going to do? We are going to write here 0, which is known for the tens place. So 8 fours are, that becomes 32. 8 fours are 32. 3 carried up, 2 returned down. 8 zeros are 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 becomes 3. Now 8 threes are, it is coming as 24. So 2 carried up, 4 returned down. 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 becomes 2. And 8 twos are, it becomes 16. Now we are going to do the plus, add. Now what will be the answer for this addition? 8 plus 0 becomes 8, right? 2 plus 2 becomes 4. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. And no number is here. So directly we are going to write 1. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 17,66,448. The final answer for the calculation 20,304 into 87. The answer is 17,66,448. I hope so students, you must have understood with question number 1. And let's start with the word problem from second onwards, which is from textbook page number 16. Thank you everyone.